Well, it's clearly not him. Oh boy, 10-4. Looks like we're gonna need additional units. Hey, stop reaching!
Yo, am I tripping or is he walking like he trying to scare me or something?
Hey, yo! Speed it up, my man, for our mixture tragic. New back! Yo, I'm getting chased by a grizzly bear. Somebody call 911. But not for me, though. Yeah. Where your mom at? Oh, yeah. Now, this is what I'm talking about. They finally letting us take the law into our own hand. Yo, my man, what are you doing? You see me out here with the brick? I ain't no regular pedestrian, you heard? Oh, all right.